You don't need books like this anymore. Instead, you can simply use Claude AI, which will be your personal trading assistant and will give you a massive edge over everyone. I'm full-time institutional crypto trader, and let me show you how to use it. In this video, I will show you how to connect your crypto exchange to a Claude AI and how you can improve trading with Claude. But first of all, what is Claude? Claude is the next step of AI because you can simply delegate different tasks to it. For example, Claude can interact directly with your screen and PC, navigate your browser or run tools. Claude can reach your connectors. And this is exactly what we need to connect our crypto exchange to Claude to get better results with trading. And how exactly connect exchange I will show you very soon. Basically, Claude can be your personal assistant and work with your PC that can read, create, edit and analyze different files and interact with different apps and also directly connect to your crypto exchange. And this is important for us because we can more efficiently analyze the market, analyze our trades. For example, we can upload the files. So that means we can analyze our trading performance and improve our results. And to get started, we need to open Claude.ai. Here we can log in with our email or we can directly download the app, what I also prefer to do. And after the app is installed, we can start with a practical use cases. For example, as the first step, we can start with Bitcoin market analysis. And for that, let's write the prompt, where we will ask to analyze the current Bitcoin price action on 1 hour chart. So please tell me if there is a trending or ranging market and give me your view on whether the market is long, short or flat buys. So let's start with analysis. So now Claude will start to analyze the market. So he will reach the Bitcoin price and also the history of Bitcoin price in the recent days. And here you can see that it's already started to analyze. The current market price of BTC is equal to $71,800. Here you can see that the market structure is trending and short-term bullish recovery between a broader downtrend. And this is exactly the case. Bitcoin is trading between $71,000 and $74,000 and has dropped 52% from all-time high. And now let's take a look at the key technicals. Here we can see that Bitcoin is trading below exponential moving average with a length of 100 and 200. But still the short-term momentum is strong, which is indicating the RSI. 50-day moving average is rising, indicating the bullish short-term momentum. But at the same time, 200-day moving average is indicating the weaker long-term trend. So we have a short-term recovery, but the long-term bearish trend. We have also analysis about the sentiment that shows that the crypto fear and greed index is extremely fear. And also we get the most important key levels that we need to keep an eye on. And here we have also the nice summary. So within a few seconds you get a professional view about the market based on a technical analysis and sentiment. Also, we can use Claude to analyze our own trading and build performance analysis and trade journal. So I have my crypto trades here and let's ask Claude to analyze them. And let's ask. So Claude will analyze all my trades and will calculate what is my win rate, what is the analyzed profitability on average for all my trades, which trades are successful and which trade had a bad performance, and also what I can improve in my trading. And after the analysis is done, the nice dashboard will be created for you so that you can have a better overview. And here we can see a nice dashboard. For example, here we can see that my win rate is almost 68% and my win rate by selling the option is more than 91%. So that's why it's better to sell options rather than buy the options, at least in my experience. Here we can see also the net P&L for my public portfolio, the average trade duration, and also median analyzed return on capital for my public portfolio. Here we can see also win-loss distribution, analyzed return on capital distribution, and also the best trades by return on capital. For example, this one has a return on capital more than 280%. So this is indeed crazy profitability. And by the way, if you would like to learn more how exactly I am able to achieve the win rate of almost 92%, this is because I am selling the options and receive constantly passive income. And for that, I am using two simple strategies. And how exactly to use these strategies to be profitable and manage the risk in the right way, I describe step by step in my Crypto Options for Beginners guide. In this guide, you will find exactly how to analyze the market and understand that there is a right time to sell the options. And also the full breakdown of the cryptocurrency option strategies like cash secured put and covered call strategy. How to find the right expiration date for this strategy. How to find the strike price. And also all other important steps. So if you would like to learn how to make profit like institutional investors, you can learn about this guide in the description below. And also at the end, we can see the summary of all the trades. So as you can see, this is very helpful to get overview about your performance. And also you can improve yourself by asking what I can do better and what should I improve. And now let's take a look how connect the cryptocurrency exchange to Claude to get even better results in trading. And first of all, we need to find our API. I will show you an example on ByBit exchange, but the steps very similar also for all other exchanges. And first of all, what we need to do is to navigate to our account and then open API. After that, we need to click on a Create New Key. So we can select the system generated API keys, and after that, we need to select some parameters. So the most important one is to select between read only and also read write permission. So I will keep read only permission and also select which data should be used for that. I will select Unified Trading. I will add also the API key name. In this case, this will be Claude API, and I click Submit. I just need to verify this request. Next step. And now API keys are available and I can use them. So to connect my account to a Claude, I'm going to use the following prompt and only what I need to add the API key and secret key. After both keys are inserted, let's connect. And after Claude is connected via API, I can use market data for even better market analysis. For example, I can ask to compare the implied volatility between different expiration dates and ask to calculate the profitability for selling the options. And in this case, I can generate valuable trading ideas. And if you would like to learn more how to use AI in trading, you can leave the comments below. And you can watch the next video about the crypto options here or here. See you in the next video. Bye.